This weekend, I'm taking a little break and embark on a spontaneous one-night trip to none other than the heart of Nanaimo downtown. Why is this weekend so special? Well, tomorrow is none other than my birthday. And what's a birthday without a little adventure, right? So join me as I explore the vibrant streets of Nanaimo and of course indulge in a birthday wish of mine that involves a sweet treat. Any guesses? To get to Nanaimo, we are charting on Vancouver's newest passenger ferry, Hullo, as my wife pronounced it, Hullo. Getting your tickets online is as easy as booking your seats for the movie theater. The window seats are usually the first ones to go, so do book in advance. With 354 seats, you can choose between the comfort class, premium, or business. For our trip to Nanaimo, we decided to go with the comfort class and try the business class on our return trip. We're diving into the cozy world of comfort class down on the lower deck. But hold on tight because I've got a thrilling surprise waiting for you on the upper deck that's coming up on day 2. We strategically snagged those front row seats for the ultimate window view. Our comfort option comes with not one but 2 USB ports and free Wi-Fi access. I almost forgot about the hidden tray table tucked away beneath the armrest. It takes 70 minutes to get to Nanaimo. At this point, I should mention that you should pack your gravel or Pepto if you get nauseous with smaller ferries than the bigger ones.
Like you're one of us.
Yes, I do. I just realized that with my bright orange jacket. Right along Hullo's free shuttle service, the one stop we appreciate is the collaboration with Coast Bastion Hotel where we stay for the night. The sweet suspense of wondering what our room looks like. It's a visual feast of cleanliness, freshness, and a touch of makeover magic with tons of storage space. Bar fridge, clean sheets, comfy bed, and this marvelous waterfront view. November sunset may be fashionably early at 4 p.m., but fear not. We have time on our side. I thank the weather god that the only thing falling from the sky is the mesmerizing palette of the sunset, not raindrops. As the day transitions to night, you are witnessing a cosmic color show with hues gracefully transitioning from a fiery orange through a chic palette of whites and finally settling into the cool, confident blues of the night.
Nanaimo bar is reserved to Nanaimo.
You want to get it down?
No, no.
You heard me right. I turned down my birthday wish for tomorrow, but soon regret not getting my Nanaimo bar today. Almost. I'll tell you why on day 2 of our trip. Breakfast, minimal. Lunch, skipped. I consulted the all-knowing Google. The Lighthouse Bistros awaits and our taste buds are ready for a flavor-filled fiesta. The sweet reward of our lunchtime sacrifice, and soon adorned with a symphony of morsels that dance before our delighted eyes. With each bite, our empty stomachs declare victory, and by the time we're done, not a single takeout box is left standing. Believe it or not, it's 5:30 p.m. and the world outside has transformed into pitch darkness. Armed with our brave spirits, we take a daring stroll through the shadowy realms of the poorly lit seawall. Not wanting darkness to consume us within its shadowy demise, we retrace our steps to the comforting glow of familiar territory. A pit stop at the thrifty store becomes a beacon of water and snack salvation. With our loot secure, we bid the night adieu, concluding day one of our trip. Today is the day, and the mission is crystal clear. The great Nanaimo bar hunt is officially on. Armed with sweet cravings and a zest of celebration, I embark on this confectionery quest to track down the elusive and delectable Nanaimo bar. A thought echoes through our minds. Breakfast. Our culinary compass guides us to the enchanting Cafe Mon Petit Show. Don't be fooled by the literal translation, my small cabbage. It may sound unusual, but in the language of croissants and café au lait, it's a sweet whisper of my sweetheart. In the heart of French culture, this charming eatery beckons, promising a sumptuous breakfast that not just about food, but a love affair with flavors. Bon appetit! The beating heart of this city lies in its vibrant downtown, adorned with mom-and-pop stores like gems in a treasure trove. These little heavens of uniqueness sprinkle the streets, offering a dash of character and a dollop of local charm. Forget the cookie-cutter chain stores. Nanaimo's downtown is a living, breathing testament to the magic of mom-and-pop brilliance. Each store whispers stories of passion, dedication, and a dash of quirkiness that makes shopping here not just a spree, but a delightful journey into the soul of the city. We pack light for one night stay, so the prospect of trail hiking takes a backseat. A mere 15-minute stroll from our cozy hotel, this historical enclave beckons, promising not rugged paths but a journey through time. Packed light but rich in curiosity, we step into the heart of the old city quarter, where every wall holds a tale and every corner reveals a piece of history. As I venture into the old city quarter, the reality hits me. Weekends means closed signs hanging on most shops. A minor setback, perhaps. But fear not, for the Nanaimo Bar Crusade remains undeterred. Armed with determination and a sweet tooth that won't quit, I refuse to let closed doors dampen my birthday quest. After all, what's a treasure hunt without a few challenges? The closed signs may frown, but the birthday spirit marches on, ready to conquer and savor that elusive Nanaimo bar. Are these cute furballs just casually chilling outside Black Rabbit Kitchen? Coincidence? Well, maybe, but let me spill the tea on this neighborhood. It's practically teeming with rabbits. And just when you think it can't get any more whimsical, behold the White Rabbit coffee shop next door to the Black Rabbit Kitchen. Sadly, it is closed. Our journey leads us to this charming nook of the city. Unable to resist the dessert siren's call, we waltz into the establishment, take a breather, and decide to conquer our sweet craving for bubble tea. Smart move, right? Here's where the plot thickens. We turn to the lovely lady behind the counter. With a sip of bubble tea and a sprinkle of curiosity, we ask, where in this dessert-loving universe can we snag some Nanaimo bars? Our investigative skills have brought us to this very spot. The info provided by the lady was solid. And there it is, a selection as if the universe conspired for me to point dramatically at the one and only. It may look like a soft ice cream sandwich, but it has a tough outer shell. You know what? Forget the fork. I'm diving in hand first. It's my birthday. Pure, unapologetic happiness. Cheers to another year and a handful of joyous bites. Sink into comfort and sip a beverage while waiting for departure in the plush lounge. This time, we are going to experience what the business class offers. For those who fancy the skies, good news awaits next door. Hullo's close companion is ready to take you on an airborne escapade, so if you're all about the thrill of soaring through the skies, your neighbors got you covered. With boarding still half an hour away, I have time to spare. Taking a leisurely stroll through the garden, I cast my gaze across the landscape, hoping for a glimpse beyond the persistent fog that has wrapped itself around the surroundings since that week. If you are patient, you may spot a seal pop its head out of the water to say hello. Speaking of our next door neighbor, here comes one now. The first perk of opting for business class experience is priority boarding. And this time, we're setting to the upper deck. If small ferries makes you queasy, now's the perfect moment to pop a gravel. Share your tips in the comments below if you've got other secret weapons for conquering seasickness. We want to hear all about it. Whether sipping ginger tea, focusing on the horizon like a seasoned sailor, or busting out your best sea shanty to distract yourself, your tips might just be a lifesaver someone didn't know they needed. The seats boast a generous width, providing ample hip space for a spontaneous sideways shimmy. Equipped with a convenient USB and USB Type-C ports and an AC outlet, you'll be charged up for any journey. Discover the hidden compartment housing your personal table tray, perfect for indulging in complimentary snacks and beverage. Yearning for some well-deserved shut-eye? Fear not. Your seat gracefully reclines without a peep, ensuring tranquility for the passenger behind you. Elevate your relaxation with a built-in footrest. Kick up your feet and let the journey become a blissful retreat. If you're savoring every moment of this journey and craving more adventures, stay in the loop by hitting that subscribe button. A simple like would make my day. Dive into my other videos and let's go one step forward to the next one.